Okay, he's getting prepared. Let's see the cinnamon. Cinnamon. Okay, let's see the mouth. Okay,
Ew.
there's just nuts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, he's gonna swallow a teaspoon of cinnamon. Swallow it. Come on, Bo.
Ew.
Did you do it? Try to swallow it. Come on. No, you can't do it like that forever. Come on, you're a cheater.
That's what's real. I'm gonna do that to every one of my friends now.
Bo did not swallow a tablespoon or a teaspoon of cinnamon.
It clumps up in your throat. There's no way to get rid of it.
It sounds so easy.
Good job, Bo.